Ready?
Okay.
This is Nana and Carly
Ready?
in the boxing championship.
Oh, I can't jump.
Nana cannot
Ready?
jump.
Okay.
Wait, I gotta get it on the camera. Carly versus Nana.
Okay.
Ready? We're starting.
Okay.
It's gonna tell you to fight when it's time to fight.
Oh, I'm hitting the wrong one. Who am I hitting?
Ready? The blue.
You're on the right, Mom. Focus on the right. Back up, Carly and Nana. Carly, Nana is whipping you. Nana is whipping Carly.
No, she's red. Mom, she's red. I'm beating her on blue.
I don't know who's who.
Oh,
I can't tell.
Red's almost dead.
No, blue's almost dead.
They're both
Pay
almost dead.
attention.
Back up.
Well, I don't know which
Okay.
side.
You're red. You're on the right side.
Okay, Mom, you're over
Oh,
here.
shoot.
This is you. You're hitting
Oh.
Carly. Carly, what are you doing?
I'm flying myself.
Come on, you're both almost to go down.
Hey.
Carly, back up.
No.
Back up.
It's
Oh my gosh. Oh no.
What?
Nana knocked Carly down.
Of course.
Mom,
but
you
she has
knocked
one
Carly
life
down.
left. Look at that. She has one life left. I don't.
Back up, Carly.
See, I was hitting the wrong person. I was hitting myself.
Back up.
Mom, that's how I fight.
No, you won't be allowed to play. Nana, you're down.
Oh, that's me? Oh.
Yeah, you're in red. I'm in blue.
I'm up!
Carly, back up or you're not going to play.
I'm at the right place.
Round two. Take a break.
Hey,
blood.
we're going, we're going,
blood.
we're going, we're going.
Go, Mom, go. Get her. Fight her. Punch her. Get her. Harder, Mom. You got her. You got her. You got her. She's going down. She's going down. Get her, Mom. Get her. Get her, Mom. Come on, in the face. In the face. In the face. You got her. You got her. She's down. She's down.
You're so mean.
I can't do this.
I don't like you.
Oh, no, she's up. She's up.
It's on my phone. It's on my phone. Take it off my phone.
It's on your phone.
Yes.
I can't get her off.
What? I can't.
This is how you
Gosh.
finish.
Get back up, both of you. Back up. Break it up.
Oh,
She
that's
did it down.
Nana, you're
I
down.
won 2 rounds knocked out. And then.
Mom, stop. Take a break.
Oh.
You're up. You're up. Go. Go. Mom, go. Mom.
Oh. Oh.
I need a cucumber tree. Is it over?
I don't know.
Oh no, Nana.
No, I lost. She won. No, no.
Oh.
He's up. Go, Mom,
I'm blue. You should know that.
go. Carly, stop it. Cucumber. Open the bag.
When we told you they had all rest of them boxes for the other
These are old.
Yeah, that.
Okay, you know what? I lost. I can't play with other people with me.
Nana, beat you.
Nina won. Nina won.
Bro, you might get up.
No.
You won.
Okay. There's 911 handy. There's, that's my 3rd boxing game, David.
We learned how to golf.
I had knockout on my first 2. I knocked them out.
Her first guy, she knocked you out like 5 seconds into it.
Wow.
My second guy I knocked out, but he got up once. I knocked the heck out of him again. Anyway, I'm really good at boxing. Joel thought I'd be bad at boxing. And do you know what I don't like about this? It kept telling me I was unbalanced. But Mario's in mental health and he says I'm well balanced.